Welcome, YouTuber. My name remains Ademola, and today I'll be talking to you more about a pattern called the cup and handle. Okay, if you listen or you've been following my channel, you discover that we've been spending time talking about Bitcoin price, and we've been doing a lot of talking. And you heard me say the other time that okay, we expect a drop, but the point is that there is a target, and in order to stay safe, you have to understand what is happening in the market. Okay, now I'm going to show us some basic information here. First, I want you to look at this very well. This is called the cup and handle pattern. Okay, sorry. Okay, this is called the cup and handle pattern. Okay, if you look at this is like a U shape. You can see there's a U shape pattern, and this is the neckline. And then you can see this, but don't let's just assume that it's cup and handle. So let's see what it's like first from the textbook. Okay, the cup and handle. You can see this pattern here. This is the U shape. Then you can see the handle here. Okay, the cup and handle pattern occur in both small time frames like 1 minute chart and in large time frames like daily, weekly, and monthly chart. It occurs when there is a price wave down followed by a stabilizing period followed by a rally of approximately equal size of the period decline. It creates a U shape or the cup in our cup and handle. Okay, if you look at what we have here is that this is the top, you have the blow of top, then you have this U shape. One of the ways you can tell if you are having this U shape or cup and handle is that you see your price falling below the moving average. Okay, and then you have a sharp up move and then it stabilizes. Okay, and then it rises back to almost at the beginning of the cup. Okay, now let's continue. It creates a U shape or the copper. Okay, we've done that, we've read that. The price then move sideways or drift downward within a channel or that form the handle. Now, this channel, it may be a form of channel or it may form a kind of a triangle. The handle may also take the form of a triangle, just like in our own shape. In our own case now, you can see we have a beautiful symmetry triangle. Okay, so you have this triangle, okay, after the cup, and that forms the handle. Okay, the handle needs to be smaller than the cup. Of course, we know that the handle should be smaller than the cup. Now, when do you enter cup and handle trade? Entering a cup and handle trade, wait for a handle to form. Then the handle often take the form of a sideway or a descending channel or a triangle. You can see we have a triangle here and you have the U shape here. Okay, buy when the price break above the top of the channel or the triangle. When the price move out of the handle, the pattern is considered complete and the price is expected to rise. Okay, so in this case, do we have the same? Okay, after this triangle, we can see a push up here. Okay, we can see a push up. So after this breakout of this triangle, it is expected that the price has complete its move. So you are expected to actually buy in around this 13,000, 12,000, 13,000 range. And if you want to be conservative, you want to be safe, you may wait for it to break above the neckline, which is this blue line, the top of the cup. Okay, so you want to buy in at that price there. Okay, so that is the best time to buy in. You don't buy in the triangle because it might break down and it might go further. Now the next thing is, how do you exit your trade. Okay, we still have the triangle here, I mean the cup here and the handle here. Whatever the height of the cup is, add that height to the breakout point of the handle. That figure is a target, whatever the height. So when you take the measured from this neckline down to the bottom and you place it at the breakout point, that should give you your price target. For example, if the curve formed between 100 to and 99, the breakout point is 100 plus the target, which is 101. Okay, now let's look at this target on our current trade. Okay, if you look at what I have here, I already make move this target. If you bring it down here, you can see. If you look at it, it give exact. This is my when I take this measured move. It come when you bring it to this point, this breakout point, it goes to exactly 20 22,700. But now here's the point. Can we confidently say we are going to 22,500? I know we are expected to break above the. It's okay. It's all right. Sorry about that. Okay, so when you take this move from here and you place it up to this breakout point, it takes you to exactly 22,700. Now, there is every possibility that we may not get to that target. If you read further from this end here, it says a Fibonacci extension indicator may also be used. So sometimes the left side of the cup is a different height than the right. Now, use the smaller height and add it to the breakout point for a conservative target, or use the larger height for an aggressive target. Okay, a Fibonacci extension indicator may also be used. Draw the extension tool from the cup low to the height on the right side of the cup, and then connect it down to the handle below. The the one level or 100% represent a conservative price target, and 1.618 or 162% is a very aggressive target. Therefore, target can be placed between 1 and 1.618. Okay, now let's look at our case here. I picked the Feb, and actually the Feb take us to at 1.618. If you look at, this is the Feb here, this is the Feb notch. You can see at 1.618 we're expected to be at 20,408 dollars. That is where the 1.618 is placing us. Okay, so if you are using the Feb price target, you are expected to take profit at uh 2,400. That is where you are expected to take profit. But according to the tool, we can extend to as high as where the height of the table, the height of the cup take us, which is 22 uh 700, 22,500 range. Okay, so what am I saying to you here is that we are close to the top of this trade. Okay, we are very close to the top of this trade. Okay, that's if you are following the price action, the pattern. And then I want you to also take a look at this RSI is currently at 84%, and the stochastic RSI is also at around 97, 98%. Okay, there's still room for us to go up here. We still have very close to 10%. And please take note, anything from 20,500, 21,000, the price is likely to top out. Okay, so this is a textbook cup and handle pattern. Okay, it's okay. Okay, sorry, my son. Okay, so this is a textbook cup and handle. I want to believe you have learned something from this very video. If you consider this video educative or important, please give us a like, comment below, and kindly share this video with your friend and loved ones. Okay, thank you for watching once again. See you in the next video. Bye for now.